Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your iPhone 15 Pro to review, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your iPhone 15 Pro. Today, I will be reviewing the Ringke Fusion case in clear, and then also their Ringke Fusion Bold case in matte black. I need to shout out Ringke for actually sending these cases out to me for a review. I've been using Ringke for a while now, and I actually reviewed their 15 Pro Fusion X case a couple days ago. You can look on the channel and check out that video. Ringke makes some great cases for all devices out there. If you haven't used Ringke before, I don't know where you've been, but in my case reviews, we will check out to make sure everything fits well. Does it add bulk? Does everything line up? Do you get camera protection? Can you wireless charge? Just the normal things you look for in a case video or a review. But let's get into it. I will have links in the description so that way if you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. Nice, the same packaging from Ringke, says live a better day. Eco packaging, it goes over why that is. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. But let's see. One thing, they're making the glue a lot harder to get into these cases though. So this is the Fusion Clear. Bam. You know, I love how these case companies are putting these clear pull tabs now. Makes it a lot easier to get that off. This case is going to show off the beauty of your phone. Might track a little bit of fingerprints. They do have a matte clear one that you can pick up also. But bam, there you go. Shows off the beauty. You get camera protection all the way around. You get the lip action at the top and the bottom. So when you place it down, the middle of it doesn't touch, which is good. The buttons, let's see how the buttons are. Power button feels really great. The volume rockers are easy to press. Not hard at all. The action button is easy to press, nice and tactile too. So the buttons are really good. Everything lines up at the bottom here, as you can tell. It doesn't add bulk. I mean, look at it from the sides. And then this side too. It doesn't add bulk at all to your phone. So it's not a bulky case. You do have a little logo there, Ringke. Little Ringke logo there. It actually feels good. I mean, not bulky. It feels good in the hands. Pause. But it does show off the beauty of your phone. There you go. I mean, look at that. What is it? Blue titanium? I was about to say blue diamond, but blue titanium. I love the blue color. But let's see the overall fit. Now, with Ringke, they're not the best fitting cases when you try to pull it apart, but I don't think your phone's just going to pop out. You know, they could fit a little bit better, but when you try to get the case off, it takes, you know, a little bit of effort too. So that's a good thing. You want that little effort there to get the case off, which is good. See the screen. So that's a good fitting case there. Now, can you wireless charge? I don't think you'll have a problem. This one doesn't have MagSafe, but you can wireless charge without any issues there. You know, works pretty good. I don't know, what y'all like the Fusion? Do y'all like the regular Fusion, the Fusion Matte Clear, or are you more like the Fusion X, where, you know, you can get the logo, the camo, or the regular Fusion X with the black on there? Which one is your favorite case? I'm going to take out the Bold right now so we can check out that case and see how that one fits. All right, so this is the Bold case. And now this one has the matte finish in the back. I love that. Look at that. It still shows off the beauty, but it don't attract as many fingerprints. You have the same camera protection there. The same lip action at the top and the bottom. The power button is nice and tactile. Same thing with the Vine rockers. The action button is nice and easy to press if you press it, not the Vine rocker. Nice and easy to press too, and it's a different design too. So it's a little bit smaller, so you should be able to figure out which one you're pressing. Everything lines up at the bottom, just like the Fusion case. Man, this might be one of my new favorites. I never had the bold case before. Maybe they're only doing it for the 15 Pro or the iPhone lineup. Another thing too is it has the same grip on the size as the Onyx case that I reviewed from them for the 15 Pro. So it has like, I don't know if you can hear this. So it has like a little grip there too. Bam. So again, it doesn't add bulk to your phone at all. Feels really nice. I love the extra grip you get. It shows off the beauty of your phone, but not tracking fingerprints. Everything lines up. The fit's gonna be the same too. This one actually fits a little bit better on the top and bottom. And same thing to get it off. It does take some effort, so if you drop it, your phone is not just gonna pop out of the case, which is very important to protecting it. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem. And yes, just like that, you can wireless charge. I'm liking this bold. This is nice. So do you like the bold, or are you just like the Fusion Clear and the Matte Clear? Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I am really liking this. I might keep this case on there for a while. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.